We are done with another Model Y, so let me show you what we've done. Starting to get a lot more of these in. So first things first, the whole car has been tinted Cerelux 33 on the sides and the back. Nice and dark in the sides and back, but still legal. Photo Sync IRD 70 on the front windshield and the sunroof. Really clear, so you can still see in and out, but heat rejection is there when you need it. And for the front of the car, the entire thing is clearbra'd. The hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors are all protected. We even took off the T logos in the front, so there's no cutout around the badging. No more worrying if you can go on long road trips or anything like that. Since this car is brand new, the paint looks really good, and we intend to keep it that way. Since the film that we use for this clearbra'd is hydrophobic, I'm going to show you a water beading test. Alright, so when I pour water onto this hood or onto the fender here, it should bead up, basically just slide off. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, sliding all the way down. Perfect little circles right there. So you can imagine when you're washing your car with this, it's easier to clean and easier to stay clean.